All right, today I have Zicam Cold Remedy Shortens Colds. This is the only cold shortening nasal swab right here, and I'm going to be reviewing this. I'm going to try this out to see what it's all about and tell you how it is. It says medicated nasal swabs with cooling menthol and eucalyptus. 20 single-use swabs, zinc free, homeopathic. All right, so we're going to look in here. It says hold tube between four fingers. Let me get in a little closer so I can read this a little bit better. So I'm going to be using this right here. It's supposed to shorten my colds. Hold tube between thumb and forefinger and blue band. So it's going to show right there. With other hand, hold the base of handle and snap tube open. So I'm going to get to that. But first, I'm going to read this. These are the ingredients that it has on. It says reduces the duration of the common cold and helps relieve nasal congestion. There's a lot of warnings on here, so you should definitely read the warnings and consult your physician before trying any product whatsoever, including this, mainly this, because this is what I'm talking about. It says the first sniffle, sneeze, or throat tickle, you have a pre-cold. The first sign of a full-blown cold is coming. Take Zicam nasal swabs now to shorten a cold. Keep carton for complete warnings and information. You heard that, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to get started with this. Here are the swabs right here. And so there's 20 swabs in here. Now, the directions on here, I'm going to read them briefly. You need to read the entire thing before you take them yourself. But it says, open tube. It says, using swirling motion, rotate swab 3 times with the nostril while swirling gentle. While swirling, gently press the outside of the nostril to ensure transfer of medication. Redip swab in tube and mix to resaturate with medication. Swirl 3 more times in the same nostril while gently pressing the outside. Redip it into the tube and mix. Repeat the identical sequence in second nostril. Do not insert swab more than 1/4 inch past nasal opening. All right, so there's more instructions on there. Make sure you read that. It says wait 30 seconds before blowing nose. Use 1 tube every 3 hours. Do not exceed 5 tubes in a 24-hour period. Discard swab after use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to try this. And what does it say right here? It says with other hand, hold plastic handle. Okay, hold tube between thumb and forefinger at blue band. So this is the blue band right here. I'm supposed to hold it like this. The blue band. It says hold tube between thumb and forefinger at the blue band. So that's where it is right there. With the other hand, hold at base of handle and snap tube open. Pull swab. Apply the first medication inside the first nostril. Okay, so we read all that. So I'm going to do this. So I'm going to go. It did snap just like it said it did. So it has this right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what it says. Keep that right there. And I'm going to go ahead and do it 3 times in the nostril. That's what I'm going to do right here. 1, 2, 3. It's not too bad. It's not like a COVID test or anything like that. So I'm going to dip this in here, get some more medication on it. It says I'm supposed to do it twice in each nostril. 2. 3. All right, that's one nostril. Then I'm going to put in the other one. That sounded weird. So I'm going to pull that out. Whoa, that sounded really weird. So pull that out. I'm going to do it with the second nostril. 2, 3. All right. Oh, wow, that sounded really weird. And so this is the second time in the second nostril. 2, 3. So I'm put this in here. Really weird sound. And I'm discard of it. And I just took it, and it says I'm supposed to take it no more than, how many? It says do not take, let's get in here. What does it say? It says, let's add the directions on the back. It says do not exceed 5 tubes within a 24-hour period. It says wait 30 seconds before blowing nose. Use 1 tube every 3 hours. So that's what I'm going to do. Every 3 hours, I'm going to try to take this. And hopefully, it'll shorten the length of my cold. The pre-cold. Don't really have a cold, but the pre-cold. And that is Zicam Cold Remedy. Trying out. I don't know. Let's see if it works. Supposed to shorten the cold. They wouldn't sell it if it didn't, right? Or would they? Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.